Why do 100% of Komodo dragons have a bite more dangerous than a shark's? These fascinating creatures are the largest lizards on Earth, growing up to 10 feet long. Found only on a few Indonesian islands, Komodo dragons are top predators. They can sprint up to 13 miles per hour, and their saliva contains over 50 strains of bacteria. That's right, one bite, and their prey is in serious trouble. But wait, there's more. Komodo dragons have an incredible sense of smell. They can detect a carcass from almost 6 miles away. And if you think they're just mindless hunters, you'd be wrong. These dragons are clever and can work together to take down larger prey. They might look like something out of a prehistoric movie, but Komodo dragons are very much real and very much awesome. So, the next time you think of fierce predators, remember the Komodo dragon reigns supreme in the reptile world. Stay curious, nature enthusiasts.